Hey guys, this is Fundo on Chopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Lily is happy that he finally got Klezipi on the accident area. He found that Kwanda was kidnapping Klezipi, and he has all evidence that Nonka does not sell the drugs. Kwanda confessed on Klezipi that Nonka was don't know about drugs. While Nomaswazi account setbacks putting together the next job. Nonka realized her involvement with their drugs operation. When Lily tells that Kwanda Nonka must prepare to stay on jail. Njeza vows to never to return to Nkunzi. Kunzi wants Njeza in Sbu back on his business, but Njeza refuses. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.